boy, Justice.
Crocodile, crocodile.
Where's the crocodile? No. Justice, you gotta tell us this.
Is it floating?
I see him floating. I see him floating.
Where, Laura?
Downstream here.
Oh, there he is.
Watch the crocodile.
Yes, come on, Croc. Come on, Croc, go get him. Watch that crocodile. Who's on crocodile watch?
Solomon Bobby.
Oh no. Solomon, there's not a big group.
Oh, this guy's going down. Look at.
Where? There's a whole bunch more coming now, isn't there? There's a whole bunch in behind that truck, way up in there. Hopefully.
Watch that crocodile, Jimmy.
Is that Solomon over there? Ah, shit.
Is this the Maasai Mara? What's the name?
Mara River.
Why isn't the crocodile going? Oh no! He's waiting for one of them to get.
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Here he
Oh,
goes.
look at him! He's going towards us. He's gonna get one.
Oh, there he's got him.
Oh no! Oh no! This is sad.
Oh, he's got out. He got out. Oh, he fucking made it. He got it. Oh.
Is he wounded?
Oh, there's another. That croc's gonna get this guy.
Look at those zebra going fast. Fuck this shit.
Here comes some more.
Watch that croc though.
Now, if the croc, you also need the young ones. Just wait till you see the young ones now.
Jamie, can you get a little higher and see if that croc's coming?
Here, give me the camera.
It's funny, the zebras were the start and the end. Oh, the zebras are.
I can see the croc.
Fuck that, we're out of here.
Those zebras went back over.
Look at all the jeeps coming.
Did you tell Solomon?
Yeah.
Oh, poor Solly. Come on, Solly.
All the zebras are bucking each other.
Solomon is right there. He's coming.
Atta boy. Come on,
Is that
Solly.
him?
Yeah.
Where's that croc, Jamie?
He's down here. He's probably 30 feet away from where they are.
So he's not getting. Oh, he may catch the end of them. Yeah, good job, Justice. How'd I get here, buddy?
Watch, this guy
Oh.
might get nailed here.
Why, is he coming?
If he moves any slower.
Now let's wait. The young ones probably will be behind.
These two zebras, why are they concerned because their friends didn't make it? Justice?
Yeah.
These zebras over
These
here.
two zebras keep you in circles. Are they concerned because their friends didn't make it?
You mean? I cannot hear what you say.
Oh, so there's these zebras are hanging around?
They probably.
Is it because their other ones went back?
Yeah, the other groups is their kinship families on the other side.
Jamie, where's the croc?
Look at, he's yelling at him. He's like, you left the fucking other rest of them behind.
Hey, Jamie?
Where's the crop?
The croc's kind of small. The croc's moving. Give me that kid.
Oh, I got him.
The croc's moving in. There he goes.
Where is he?
Oh, here he comes. He's right over. He's right where my finger is. He's right there. Yeah, I can see his eye. See him?
Oh, yeah, there he is. We got him! dragging him to... How much fight left now? It's done now. Game over. That was the last guy. Oh, last little group.